Welcome everyone. I've been asked about the difference between grouping some objects and welding objects. So I'm just going to put a little bit of text on the mat. Just have a bit of an example. Try and look for a bit of a curly one. Yep, that one might do it. Okay. I'm just double clicking inside the box, highlighting the text, and I'm going to write the word love. And I'll just click away so all the box comes up with all its little dots that adjust it, the adjustment markers. And you can see it's in one piece at the moment. So I'm going up to the edit panel. And down the bottom here you can see weld, divide, overlap and subtract. So in this instance, we're going to divide it in the first instance because we want to move those letters closer together and weld them. So if you click in here, you can see these are all separate little boxes with the little adjustment dots that sit around the edges. And I'm just going to use my arrow key and move all these letters a little bit over. If you use your arrow key, it keeps them in the alignment. If you move them with your mouse, you're inclined to just jiggle them around a little bit so they're not quite as aligned. It may be the effect you're looking for, and that's fine. However, I want mine to stay neat and tidy. Now I'm just bringing that over so you can see it just overlapping a little bit. I'm just going to bring the E a little bit more so it overlaps a little bit more. So all the letters are just overlapping. And you can see they're all in their separate little boxes still. So I've just dragged an imaginary big box over a lot of them. And I'm going up to the edit panel and click group. And you can see they're in one blue dotted box again. So that's grouping. So we go up to the view panel, and this is the online version of Canvas. You can show the cut lines. So I'll just zoom in a little bit. And you can see that's going to cut out. That bit there will cut out. Those little lines there will cut out. So everything on that mat, as you see it, will cut out exactly like that. So that's grouping. So those letters will move around the mat together. I'll just take this off again. Those letters will move around the mat in one box. You can see they're in one box, but they will cut out separately. Now we're going to weld them. So welding joins the letters together. So it's a different process. It actually merges those lines and will remove those little cut lines. And so you've got a cut that will cut out, like letters that will cut out in one piece. And there it's done it. So you can see there, those lines that were there before are gone. And if we go up to the view the cut lines only, you can see that that's what's going to cut out exactly like that. So they've welded. Now the other difference between grouping and ungrouping, let's take that off again, is that while have just done this, you can undo a weld, but it's only a limited time. So once you've saved it or gone out of it or whatever, so you can see that will undo it. And those little corner pieces are back and you can redo it. That's fine. But grouping, you can save the file, go away for a week or a month, a year, and come back and ungroup it again. Whereas the weld will not work like that. It'll be one piece. Anyway, I hope you've enjoyed that tutorial, and I'll catch you next time.